Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Holland Bamboo in St Elizabeth. Now this is one of the most scenic places in Jamaica to drive, like the Bogwalk Gorge and Fern Gully. Now this area, you notice there are trucks driving through here. There is no law that prevents trucks from passing through here, because look at the area. The bamboo literally comes across the road and it's very scenic. This should be like a tourist area like Fern Gully. In Fern Gully, trucks are not allowed to drive through there. They're not supposed to, because that area is protected. Now Holland Bamboo should be protected also. Now, I'm not sure where the trucks would drive, or they'd have to build another road, but this area should be protected. Look at it. There are not many places like this in Jamaica. Very scenic. I'm not sure what the environmental agencies in Jamaica say about this area, but it should be protected. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And I hear this is a very popular restaurant over here on the right. Look at these trucks. Now it's the emissions from the truck that will damage the bamboo. Now there is a lot of space to the left and to the right of this road. There you can build even a temporary road for the trucks to use. I mean, I'm not sure if it's private property or government property, but it's something they should seriously think about. Alright, so we've now passed through Holland Bamboo and we're heading towards Middle Quarters, which is very famous for shrimp. We are actually in St Elizabeth, driving from Santa Cruz to Black River in that direction. Alright, so we're now driving into middle quarters.